All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Everybody's doing well. This is the this is a Libertarian Cryptologist. Get ahead of myself when I get really, really excited about trades like we are here on Altcoin Tuesday. Obviously, we know what's happening. I've done a couple videos already. You guys should probably already know what's happening with the China FUD again for the fifth or sixth time. Now we're going to look at the hard forks. We've already looked at Bitcoin this morning, okay? So we know Bitcoin has done its thing. It's backdraft back down the 58,000 channel, rebounded back to just below 61,000. Let's take a look and see what's the reaction been to our correlated trades, right? You should all, if you're in the group, you know what I'm talking about. If you're new, what you want to create is you want to create a watch list. And whatever you use, Crypto Compare, whatever you, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, wherever you get your pricing information from. You want to create a watch list, okay? And you want to track all the hard forks. That's your first step, tracking all the hard forks. Just watching on the sidelines in the beginning of what Bitcoin does, what the hard forks do, right? And so you can kind of understand. Once you understand that dynamic, then when you begin to move into understanding things before they happen, you will know what the entry and the move is going to be in the market and what your interest should be, okay? If we know Bitcoin's going to hit a local top, right? Probably hit a level of resistance and sell down, well, then we know that the forks are going to sell down as well. And vice versa. If we hit a level of support, a low level of RSI, an overbought or oversold level on our RSI in Bitcoin is going to translate to the hard forks as well. So let's take a look here this morning. It's about 9:30 Eastern Standard Time here in the US at Bitcoin Cash. Why is Bitcoin Cash a buy right now on leverage, or spot or buy if you're a long-term believer and holder of the forks of Bitcoin, as I am? Again, not your financial advisor. You need to do your own due diligence. But let's take a look at the 4-hour chart here and what's happened this morning compared to what Bitcoin. Now, remember, we know Bitcoin has fallen back to 58,000 level and then rebounded back to the middle of the 60,000 level currently. So let's take a look at the chart for Bitcoin Cash and see what the trade is for Bitcoin Cash. Remember, we're expecting Bitcoin to rebound after China FUD. It always does, okay, once the market digests what the FUD actually is. I don't really think this is any news. I think this is just chatter from China myself, okay? So I expect Bitcoin. Now, if I expect Bitcoin to rebound, it's already rebound 2,000 basis points, mates. If I expect it to rebound to 62,000, okay, then what do I expect Bitcoin Cash to do? I would expect Bitcoin Cash to get to 650, 655 if that scenario plays out. So let's take a look at where we're at with Bitcoin Cash. So this morning, 9:30 a.m., this is what we're looking at with Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash has the exact same candle profile with wick all the way down to 570 zone, just like relative to what Bitcoin's wick looks like in the same 4-hour period. Bitcoin's wick in this same period fell to 58,000, middle of the 58,000 channel, okay? The wicks look almost identical, yet the values are completely different. Why does that matter? It doesn't, because what you're looking at isn't the price. When you look at the stick, you're looking at the behavior. Their behaviors mirror one another. Therefore, their prices get correlated, okay? And so if Bitcoin ascends, rebounds, retraces like it's doing right now, so has Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is at 622, all the way up from 572, okay? And so that's a 40 basis point run, right? But what's the RSI level at? Still below 30, okay? Still well below 30. Last time we were below 30, here where we are, 19, 18, 19. What happened? We had a run all the way up to 92, okay? That's how you use the RSI QRT, quick reverse trade method, okay? We are now below 30. That is an oversold condition. So now you want to look to enter Bitcoin Cash long, okay? Take advantage of the FUD, okay? And look at remember, if you're scalping or you're swing trading, that's a completely different thing. You want to go down to the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, you're scalping trades. It really doesn't matter. Based on what happened this morning, massive amounts of scalp trades are profitable. Unbelievable, okay? But if you want to hold it for 2 to 3 days, that's the trade at a higher leverage,